Hello, everybody. Brian here, quantlabsnet.com. This quick video, I'm going to show you the details of what's in the TradingView Pine Scripting course and what's behind the scenes. All right, so we have here a fairly lengthy course. We talk about our first step and the breakdown of everything, how the course works. Then we have what is a TradingView Pine Script. So we have different videos. We go through also writing your very first Pine Script course as well. And the next one we talk about is what is the Pine Script and what you can do with it. The next level of stuff that we can do is how to set up a TradingView account and the important Pine editor. It's kind of like a Visual Studio or an IDE, integrated development environment. I think they're improving it every few months or so. Okay, so let's talk about how we write our first trading script. So one thing I want to highlight here is we don't go through each of the commands, functions, and all that stuff. We just show you how to use it. There's a free online document available from TradingView how to use it. So is there much point in learning about? We just show you how to use it. Just want to make sure you understand that as well. So here we show you how to create a script uh, using obviously Pine Script, how to access it as well. Okay. Um, and then we have the next section, which is about, uh, again, writing your first Pine Script here as well. And various videos on that. Now, the important one that most people will probably be involved with is testing and debugging their script. So we have testing their, this is the powerful feature of testing. It's a little primitive, I guess, we have within the environment, but that's what we have. And then again, we have the Pine Editor as well to do all that. So that's the two things. So we got testing your scripts here, how to do that, various videos on that, and also how to debug it as well, just so you understand that. And we have our summary as well. So so on and so forth, resources, next steps. So it's a short course, but it just gives you a highlight on how to use the script. But again, the actual scripting itself, I think there is one I provide here. I'll probably improve this where needed, where people want to see things. So I'll gladly put that in this course with a Pine Script for TradingView. Other than that, hopefully this will help you out. Thanks for watching.